This year, DS1 is going to be looking at sustainable community living, looking at radical sustainable living in response to the urgency of the climate crisis, living in symbiosis with nature and ecological biodiversity, creating proposals which contribute net positively to the local symbiosis between man and nature, food production on site, urban farming, regeneration, cooperative living and urban regeneration. Hi, I'm Ricardo and I'm the unit lead. I'm a senior lecturer specialized in sustainable community living, research by design methodologies, digital fabrication, computational design, and architectural education.
I'm Chris Fulton. I'll be your unit tutor. I'm an architectural designer, educator, and an expert in digital design and computational creative ecosystems, using multiple digital tools together in an ecosystem that builds creativity through the process. I have a background in software development, education, and physics, as well as a passion for holistic sustainability in architectural design.
Hi there, I'm Ruby and I'll be joining you this year as your technology tutor. I'm a specialist in environmentally sustainable design with a particular interest in ecological integration and spatial justice. I am experienced in residential design, particularly designing with passive house principles, detailing with natural materials, and community engagement.
The main question we're going to be discussing in the unit is how can we design for living in the future? What are the spatial, technical, ecological, and social needs for a theoretical 2050? How will we share and use space, resources, co-inhabit with each other, and live within nature?
Our site for the year will be the waterfront in the city of Southampton on the south coast of the United Kingdom, negotiating the liminality between the water, tidal, the land, urban residential, leisure spaces, industrial spaces, and nature reserve.
The first project is for 7 weeks and it's called the Gateway Research Station, which is going to be sited in Southampton, and it's a public interface to the site that will be the main bigger project later on, and it's for you to develop preliminary research on how you are going to confront the spatial and technical aspects of the site, to develop your concepts and your ideas, and to research into sustainability and how your community is going to live there.
As part of the design project, we will be running in-depth digital workshops in Rhino and also in physical modelling to support your skills in creating hybrid representations and design methodologies for your individual creative processes of inquiry and research.
This project will serve as a springboard to establish your design interrogation, your particular interests, and your specific sustainability criteria in reaction to the site and the brief.
The main project, which starts in semester 1, giving you an opportunity to explore and develop your project across 2 semesters, is going to be the Research Institute, urban farm, co-living and working for 100 to 150 people based in Southampton.
We'll be supporting you to define your own specific sustainability and/or circularity criteria to meet through your proposal, considering environmental, social, economic and ecological needs, and all based on the RIBA sustainability framework.
You can explore the symbiotic relationships with biodiversity, urban farming, land use, material cycles and power regeneration. The circular economy, healthy living, both mental and physical, different modes of living and coexisting, subsistence farming, shared resources and commercial facilities.
Technology will be integrated throughout both design projects to develop innovative and site-responsive environmental, structural and constructional technologies to meet your sustainability agendas.
You'll also be supported in producing concise and communicative presentations and portfolios throughout, finalising your thesis project with curated portfolios of your design interrogations. The kind of things we're interested in are merging analog and digital techniques and tools as part of a driver for design development. And we're also looking to embed circularity into our design processes. We want to interrogate materiality to unlock innovative uses for both established and novel materials. And we see the relationship between site, inhabitant, and intervention as symbiotically linked. We want to maximize the well-being of all 3 of those elements. We also are keen that you compile and present your research portfolio in a way that is rich in spatial and technical processes of inquiry.
If you're interested in these things too, then we can't wait to be working with you this year in DS1.